Hello guys, so welcome to KO tutorials. So let's continue with the next part of this tutorial. So let's get started. So as you can see over here, we have started with the modeling of this military truck over here. So let's continue it. So now what I'll be doing over here is like we have few of the things which we need to do over here. Let's just lightly, I'll just push it over here in this way, and first let's create this lights over here. So for that I'll again go into this, I'll take a line over here in this way, so I'll just drag it over here. So go into this rendering, enable in viewport and reduce its size in this way, convert to editable poly, select this edges, let's give two connects over here. So select this and let's resize it, let's scale it a bit inside, let's go over here, activate the auto grid and let's create this light over here, reduce its height, reduce the height segments, convert to poly, select the polygons, control and click on the edge and let's slightly, will give a bit of chamfer to it and I'll click OK over here, resize it. So select this, let's keep it over here in this way. So I'll go into this, I'll slightly rotate it, or we'll just keep it in this way as straight, drag it down, just make a copy of it, so we can make such copies over here. Select this file. Now what I'll be doing over here is like I'll convert to poly. Let's take a cut over here, now we can slightly just push this up, make it a bit straight over here and isolate this. Again let's take one more cut over here, again take a cut, now just drag this up, push it a bit down. So again I'll go over here, I can try to put a cut over here. So let's select this, let's give a cut over here, let me save this file once. Similarly, again give one more cut over here in this way. We can give such cuts if required, and again give one more cut straight over here. Let's give a cut straight over here. So we have joined this as well, and one cut right from this direction, and one will join it in this way. Perfect. So what I can do is, now I can just slightly shuffle it a bit down if needed. Also, I can just select this and try to make this a bit straighter in this way. Select this polygons. Now once you have put this loop over here, now we can just add one more swift loop over here as well, and if needed we can add one swift loop here as well. Similarly, let's add one swift loop here as well. So select this polygons and let's give a bit of inset, and slightly I can just extrude it a bit inside over here. So that can be done. So we can put some loops here as well. So let's select this edge, ring it, and let's give two connects over here at the corner, and over here as well you can just add two connects. So first ring it, and let's add connect. So once it is done, we can just click OK over here. So we have done it correctly. We can slightly just push this a bit inside over here. Take a box. So first select this and let's make it straight. Take a small box over here. So let's just push this a bit out over here. convert to poly, again take a cylinder, activate key, make a cylinder over here. So we can just reduce its radius and slightly its height. I'll just put it over here, press shift and drag in this way. So let's just select this and duplicate it till here. So select this and so take a line, go into this view, and let's make it as radial, select the vertices and let's give a bit of fillet. And click OK. So once it is done, you can just push it inside in this way. So save your file once again. Again go over here. You cannot smoothen it. See this. So if you go to make it smooth, it's not going to smooth it. It's going to create a problem. So the loops are not that good over here. We'll just keep it as it is. So now after that, let's again go over here and we can just slightly create a frame over here if required, and let's just drag it over here, and you can go into this and you can add a sweep modifier. We can slightly reduce its length and width and just make it very less. That's it. You can just keep it in this over here. So I'll just select this all again and let's assign the same material . Alright, so guys, if any doubts, please put it in the comment section over here. If you're not subscribed my YouTube channel, please do subscribe. So we'll continue the rest of the part in the coming tutorial. So thanks for watching this tutorial.